Hey everybody, and welcome back. And as I stated before, this is going to be a short video of my first aid kit. I've got a couple laying around for different occasions, different setups, but they're the same kit. One goes with me when I'm outdoors and one stays in my toolbox. So let's get my glasses on here. And this first thing, I always carry a bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Always good to have. I put it in one of these containers. This one's currently empty. When I go out on my adventure, hiking, camping, or whatever it may be, I'll fill this up and I'll stick it in my messenger bag someplace where I keep my first aid kit. So hydrogen peroxide, good to have for the minor scrapes and burns, and just get you cleaned out pretty good. And this here is my first aid kit. I have it in a roll tight, sealed, waterproof container. And my main focus is cuts, burns, minor scrapes, to some greater cuts that I have in this bag. It's been a great bag. Haven't had any problems with it. I've had these types of bags for a few years, 3 years. Holding up pretty good. Kind of keeps everything dry in a pinch. And I go through a couple of these things here. I got some Neosporum. Good to have that. Minor cuts and scrapes. Along with, I might want to pull some of this stuff out. I got some Tylenol, extra strength. Good to have some sort of painkillers, pain medicine there. Just as I said, burns and cuts. Got some first degree burn cream. The minor burns, definitely handy to have. Add this pouch. It's got, let's pull out some. Gotta have your band-aids, all sorts and types, some gauze, bandages in here. Just, you know, little gauze pads, 2x2 gauze pads, band-aids of all sorts and sizes. Good to have around. I know you could probably use duct tape and whatever you have in the field, but these are small enough, don't weigh anything. It's good to have. It's just a first aid kit. It's not a full-blown medical kit. So some of those. Got some cotton balls in here floating around. Got this clocks for the more of the severe cuts will help clot the blood so you can get it covered up and possibly won't bleed out. I've actually used one pack on when I've cut myself with my razor, my single dual blade razor, the old school ones. So I've got that actually opened up in the bathroom, but need to pick up another couple packages of these. Let's see, I've got some more of the got some antiseptic wipes. Clean out before you cover up. Clean the wound out. Make sure you don't get any bacteria growing in there. Like I said, these cases they come in 3 different sizes. This is a smaller size. BC powder. Let's check the date on this. This actually goes out on 9/18, so I'm either going to use it before next month, but I got to get another one of these. So it's always, if you haven't gone through your medical kit, it's always good to check the expiration dates on stuff. They're probably good for a little bit longer after, but they're inexpensive enough. Just be on the safe side. Make sure you have the strongest effective dosage that comes in your package. So gotta remember, mental note on that. After watching the video a couple times, editing, I'll remember. I got some waterproof matches in here. The whole package of them. So waterproof container. Always good to have fire. If you need to cauterize a wound or, you know, make yourself warm. As I said, it's in the waterproof container, so, and a couple more cotton balls there. So yeah, make yourself up your own kit. Kind of put in there what you think you'll need. Myself, burns and cuts and some major cuts, along with some pain stuff, is real good to have. And I always have a couple knives hanging around someplace. But yeah, so that's my first aid kit, and make this one short. So I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Stay safe out there.